What's going on, guys? My name is Chris Howe, and I am a creator. Cut! Chris, what was that? I literally didn't believe a single word you said. I need to know why. Why are you a creator? Why do you do this? Well, I love making stuff. No? Okay. I want, ooh. This is good. I want to teach people how to level up their videos.
Oh my God. Oh no.
Ooh, inspiring. I want to inspire people.
Oh, he said the word inspire. Oh my God. Chris, I'm just gonna tell you,
You're boring, okay? You're so boring. Tell me, why do you do this? I like the free stuff, okay? That's why I do it. I like when the boxes come and I go, thing, I want that. You happy now? There we go. Everyone, that's what we've been waiting for. That's the motivation. You ready? You ready? Let's roll it again. Just need a second to warm up. You're Chris Howe. You're Chris Howe. Chris Howe, the influencer. Be the influence. Hashtags. Influence. Tones. I'm ready. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris Howe, and I'm a creator. Cut! The boom's in the shot. Who hired this guy?
oh, this yelling makes me very nervous, and then sometimes I dip.
Dude, it's really fine. We can fix it in Premiere Pro, just like doing this. See? Hey, there you go. Right? Oh yeah. You have so much room. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Ooh, cut some audio. I can't believe people are subscribed to this clown. Roll it again.
Hi, my name is Chris Howe, and let me actually tell you why I'm a creator. I know I've been joking a lot in this video, but it's true. I am passionate about making things, and I'm passionate about making things for you guys. I want you to be able to come here for tutorials, for films, to be inspired.
Inspire again? Is this the only word you know?
I actually want this place to be a place that you can go to get inspired for your next photo shoot, for your next video job, for your next business idea. It was only 4 years ago that I remember sitting in bed watching Casey Neistat's vlogs every morning at 8 a.m. thinking to myself, I want to do that. I want to make videos. I want to share stories. I want to make people excited about life because that's what other creators did for me. And I wanted to be the person that lit a flame that got other people excited. So if you want to come to a channel where you'll get inspired,
Open a thesaurus.
where you'll learn how to level up your business. I know that sounds corny, but it's true. I've started businesses, I have experience, and I wanna share all those experiences, the mistakes, the lessons learned with you, so that number one, you don't have to go through them, and you can actually start making money at your craft. Whether it's music, whether it's cooking, whether it's filmmaking, whether it's photography, you can start a side hustle, you can start a full-time business, and you could potentially one day work for yourself. It's all possible. I never thought I would ever be here, but if you have a dream, let this channel represent something for you. It is possible. So if you guys like this video and you guys like this channel, please press like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified for future videos. And you will most definitely catch me in the next one, because I'm not going anywhere. I love you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. You're the best. Bye. Was that light out the whole time? The whole video from... We'll keep the lights going in 2021. Bye.